In 2012, this little blog went from total obscurity to 500,000 subscribers and 3.4 million visitors per day. It transformed the thinking around many of the viral sites we're all familiar with today, and that little blog grew up to become an internet powerhouse and is called Upworthy. In fact, other similar blogs actually took on the same principles. The Huffington Post now does 115 million monthly uniques, the Daily Mail 200 million monthly uniques, Gawker at 21 million and BuzzFeed at 199. You know, it's all down to one trick, and that is simply writing the best viral headlines possible. All they did was focus on just this strategy. But it sounds easy, but in fact, you know, they also had an army of really expensive copywriters churning out 25 headlines per post and split testing each one. And of course, the problem is that you need serious dollars to spend on copywriters to do all that work. Well, you and I don't have the time or the money for all that. So instead, I created something called headlinr. It's a tool that sits in your browser and generates over 315 headlines with one simple click. Let's take a quick look. Here's a simple blog post, and I'm writing about memory tips. So here's a title that's already created. Let's do a bit better than that. So I can just take memory tips and I can click on this H. I have headlinr installed in my browser here. And up pops a window. And all I need to do is click on keyword, type in memory tips, and up pop 315 different blog titles I can simply click on to go into that box. So, memory tips demystified, memory tip secrets finally exposed, perhaps 10 memory tip flaws exposed. There are 300 of these to choose from, so even if something's not quite right, it gives you enough inspiration to write something that really will catch the eye, and by catching the eye, you will get more traffic. Not only that, if you get the pro mode of headlinr, you also get access to this tab here called the swipe file, and this gets you access to over 1,000 different swipes written by the best copywriters in the world, and these are all proven, high converting sales copy titles that you can use in your blog post or anywhere online where you use your web browser. And by clicking on any of the attributions here against any of the titles, you can go to their blog, so you can actually learn a bit more about their writing. So that's the swipe file, which you get with headlinr Pro. The standard mode, you get the keyword tab here where you can generate 312 headlines. Because headlinr works in your browser, there's no need to remember your login. And in fact, you don't even need to download any desktop software. It simply works in Google Chrome or Firefox. And because it's built into your browser, it works with all email platforms, all video platforms, or social platforms, or blogging, or all e-commerce. So you can just go ahead and you can generate new blog post titles, Facebook ads, Amazon ads, YouTube, or even just simply emails. You can even use it on sales letters, Google PPC, solo ads, press releases, forum posts, tweets, articles, offline flyers, free reports, and so much more. And already so many marketers are using this, and we've got lots of testimonials of highly successful marketers who are absolutely loving this tool. So go and get headlinr Pro. Access all the custom headlines in the first tab. All you need to do is enter one keyword and it will generate 315 headlines for you. If you go Pro, you can unlock a secondary tab revealing over 1,088 and growing of the best swipe headlines ever written. And you can also share it with 3 members of your team, which is ideal if you work with a VA. You get first year updates and support, and the swipe files automatically updated with fresh headlines. So click on the button below this video.